That's not right. We have GK Tech high misalignment kit for the 240 or Skyline. We're gonna fit it up and get steering back in this thing. Alright, got the high misalignment kit on here. It's a little dark, but you can see what it does is it kind of spaces this out. It's to help with bump steer. I gotta tighten down some of my locking nuts here, and I had to use the longest extension out of the kit here to go with the DL garage knuckles that are in this guy. Alright, we got the GK Tech misalignment kit on. The steering looks pretty decent. Let's turn the wheel here a little bit and see how steering angle looks. That looks like a pretty good amount of steering lock. Let's turn it back the other way. Hell yeah. That's gonna be sweet.